About this first question, there is one topic called data interpretation. So quant and reasoning, there are two different modules. Okay, they'll ask in aptitude. Okay, in reasoning, okay, people may know about coding and decoding, blood relations and all. But in quant, there is certain topics. You at least get the idea what topics they're asking when you come to some recruitments. This is Cocubes test platform for Hyundai Drive. Okay, they are using Cocubes test platform. For Accenture, they're using Cocubes test platform. For Capgemini Drive, they're using Cocubes test platform. So there is a test platform. See, when okay, you are writing for any company drives. Okay, so they're using some platform, external platform to take support. So this Cocubes test platform is now one trendy one, which is used for most of the recruitments. As I just mentioned, okay, Hyundai is one. This year for Hyundai Drive, they are using Cocubes test platform. For Capgemini Drive, they're using this platform. Is this really important, sir? Yes. Preparation as per the platform is important actually, because there are certain models each platform will repeat. If you see this, okay, this diagram is there, right? Or else we can say data interpretation topic. This first question. Definitely, you see any Cocubes paper, they'll ask one question from data interpretation. Okay, in quant they'll ask. So that maybe preparing as per the test platform is important. So what are the different test platforms? We have Cocubes, we have Metal test platform. There is something called AMCAT test platform, Hire Pro. Okay, there is some test platform called eLitmus. Different test platforms are there, but Cocubes is used for majority right now because that's easy. There is some network issues and all bit less actually. In it is Cocubes now. Initially, it will download the entire paper first 2 minutes. In between, you have network issues also. There is no problem. But remaining platforms, the entire exam, we need that continuous net and all. If there is in between some issues, there is a problem students are facing. This Cocubes is giving that advantage also. That's why many vendors are paying some amount for that platform to conduct the test for the students. So this one platform, this is the question, first question, data interpretation related question. Building energy, okay, 1990 and 2000. And okay, this screenshot is not clear, fine, but this is regarding kitchen in that building energy usage. How much is for kitchen, how much is for office space, how much is for meeting room, and here this is I think PC room, and there is some other room. Some percentage is distributed. In pie chart, generally, total percentage must be equal to 100%. Otherwise, the question itself wrong. Total adding it is equal to 100%. Maybe when you watch cricket also you can see the batsman scoring area. In the entire area, okay, which side is scoring more, okay, entire percentage if you add, no, total will be equal to 100% will come. That mandatory. Now, before analyzing the diagram, it's very simple for any data interpretation related questions. First see the diagram, collect the data and work on it. What is the data required is they'll ask here. They're asking regarding which space experienced the smallest change in energy use between 1990 to 2000? Between these two, what is the smallest change happened in which one? So if you see meeting area here 12%, here it become 14%. Office space is 41%, here it become 59%. And this is some room, I think that name we are not visible, okay, but PC room, this is 12%, this is 21%. Kitchen 20%, here it is 14%. So smallest change is happened for which one, right? So it's happened for meeting room. So that's it. Correct answer is option A. No calculations. Generally, data interpretation, no, most of the time it's about visualization. Okay, seeing the things properly. Visualization is very important. Sometimes they'll ask you, okay, total area here is 1000 and total area here is 4000 something. What is the difference between these two areas? Then 12% of 1000 here, 14% of 2000. What is the difference like that? We need to do some calculations. But here the question is smallest change is what? So from 12% to 14%, only 2% change happened in meeting room. Remaining all there is a too much changes. Okay, here 3% change for this room, but that's only 2%. That is print room. This one room is print room. Fine. So next question, again data interpretation. Previous one is called pie chart. This is called bar graph. Bar graph. This is also data interpretation. So what is this data interpretation? The data is mapped in a diagram. From the diagram, you have to collect the required data and do. Previous question also data given in diagram. So why only diagram? You people can recall a picture is worth more than 1,000 words. In one diagram, we can convey a lot. And as an engineer, you please keep in mind at the end of you doing any project, when you join any job, you have to present to your higher officials with this data interpretation model only. Okay, suppose you have a big report, 5 pages, 4 pages, also at the end create some table or some diagram like this, so that your higher official can see the diagram in less time and he can understand a lot. Diagram will convey the information very easily and fastly. Those who are doing projects in final year also, you at the end you will represent in diagram only. So previous one result is this one result is this is why my project is better. You have to show that in diagram only, not in oral way. Either it may be table also data interpretation, bar graph also data interpretation. I think when you watch cricket also, every over, we're comparing here. Compared to last over, this over score increase or decrease. Every over, what is the score they score, the opposite team batsman scored or everything, we will get it in this format only. Okay, but data interpretation, diagram, easy analysis or easy understanding is there. So you always keep in mind, okay, any report you want to submit, at the end, try to create like this. If you observe our call, we also for NBA and NAC, what we'll do, we'll show like, okay, 2018, this is our placements, 2019 placements, 2020 placements. If graph is increasing now, then NBA will go, okay, fine, placements are good. Admissions also, what they'll do, okay, 2020, our college admissions is so and so, 21 admissions so and so, 22, 20, the graph is increasing, then okay. Means so that section is working good. Exam section also they'll go pass percentage in this year, this year, this year. If it is increasing, means okay, that college is going good way, it's in right path only. Then they'll check all this, then they'll give NBA and NAC accreditations. Those all will check those things only. There we don't mention orally. We have to put in a graph. If you see your department HOD's rooms carefully, there you can see those type of graphs. It's mandatory to display them. Okay, once they visit, they'll check on those. Especially they'll use this bar graph more and more. Right? So now fine, okay, what is the question here? Average of NPRM, direct final and final rules in 2008. So 2008, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 in 2008. Okay, so 2008 means this green one. This NPRM value, here this one value I have to take and I have to perform average. Average means what? Sum of terms divided by number of terms. Here this is 54. Green one is 2008, right? They're asking regarding 2008. In graph 2005 to 2010 is there. I don't want all. Question is regarding what? That data only you collect. Okay, I want only regarding 2008. So 54 here. Here it is 24. Here it is 58. Add those and divide by 3. Right? So 78 already here. Okay, and 86 plus 50, I think 136 divided by 4, it seems 39. Is it? I did any wrong? Divided by 3, sorry. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for the correction. Yeah, divided by 3. Agreed. So approximately it will give 4 times 45.33. So 45 like that we required in options. 5 is this is 45.33. Sorry. This is a typing error. 45.33. Option B. Right, so simple average. They may ask you ratio of those two, or I'll ask only 2 years, let's say 2008 NPRM and direct final ratio. I want ratio means 54 and 24. Okay, 27 and 12. Common things should be cancelled if it is ratio. They'll ask, okay, take NPRM 2008. What is the ratio of NPRM 2008 with respect to NPRM direct final in 2008? Those two values cancel and we have to pick like that. So 27 and 12 likewise we need to select. Right. So this is average sum of terms divided by number of terms. So 45.33. Okay. Next, this is time and distance related topic. Time and distance. at least you will understand, okay, what type of questions they're asking, what are the different topics in quant, in reasoning they are focusing. Okay, at least you'll get the idea right now. So here, if you see this question, a train is running at the rate of 60 km per hour. Okay, a man is also going in the same direction on a track parallel to the rail at a speed of 45. Maybe he is going in a bike or some other, because running man with 45 is not possible. So maybe with some car or some bike he is going with 45 speed, train is going with 60. Both are running in parallel. Okay, the train crosses man in 48 seconds. The length of the train is what? Right. So see, this is the question related to train crossing a man. First of all, okay, we need, okay, if you want to calculate distance, they are asking length of the train. Fine. Okay. Time is given. See, we need three parameters: distance, speed, and time. Here they said what is the time taken to cross the man is 48 seconds. Now coming to speed, we only one object moving or two objects are moving? Two. When two objects are moving, we have to go for relative speed. Opposite direction means speeds. Opposite direction speeds are added or subtracted. Same direction. So fine. Okay, that's what you have a confusion, right? So we'll take one small example. Opposite direction speeds are added. Same direction speeds are subtracted. Why, sir? I'll discuss that point. Before that, okay, here I'm subtracting the speeds. Okay, if it is only one speed, no, you take that one only. Only one is moving. But here man is moving as well as train, both are moving, we will get relative speed. So speed should be subtracted when it is same direction. I'll give one practical example, then never you will get a doubt. Okay. So whenever you have a doubt here, doubt will come. Then we need some example to clarify it. So now I'll just take one example. Like, so let's say there is 10 kilometers gap between A and B. A and B 10 kilometer gap is there. They're traveling in opposite direction. It will take some time to meet, right? Okay, let it be. Now 10 kilometer gap between A and B, both traveling in same direction, time taken. In which case time taken is more, time taken is less? A and B 10 kilometers gap, A and B traveling opposite direction, they will meet after some time. Okay, A and B some place, they are traveling in same direction, 10 kilometer gap is there. Both cases distance is 10 kilometers. Now they are in same direction. What is time taken to meet? Is it more or less? Same direction. Both are moving. It will take more time or less time. Practically you think and let me know. First case, more time or less time? Less time. Opposite direction? Less time. Same direction? More time. Okay. Distance is 10. Both cases same. When distance is same, speed is inversely proportional to time. You said opposite direction? Less time means speed is more, so speed should be added. Same direction, time taken is more, because you are chasing indirectly, like chasing. First person moving, you are also moving. In other way, you are like friends, you are to meet at earliest. Opposite direction, you are like a friends, you are coming and meeting at earliest. But this is like chasing, same direction. So it will take more time to meet. This guy also want to escape from you, and you are also trying to catch him. It's take more time when it is same direction. When time is more, distance fixed here, speed will be less. So speed should be subtracted. At least keep this point in your mind going forward. When it is opposite direction, why adding that reason? If you have no, then you will get clarity. Then you never miss those things. Okay, I hope you got, okay, fine. 15 km per hour. Okay, but here one important thing: time is in units. Is what time units? Seconds. Distance answer options is in which units? Meters. So distance is in meters. Timing is in seconds. Then speed should be meter per second. Speed is kilometer per hour. Now it's your job to convert into meter per second. So what's the conversion? 1 kilometer per hour to meter per second. 5 by 18. Again, some of you people may be 18 by 5 confusion. So always have this back end point. 1 kilometer per 1 hour. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters, right? 1 hour means 60 minutes. Each minute is 60 seconds. You cancel this and check. This is 2 5 times, 2 3 times, 5 upon 18. 5 out of 18 meters per second. Kilometer per hour to meter per second is 5 by 18. Always have this back end thing. Don't by heart. Okay, then by mistake if you take 18 by 5, no, you will get wrong answer. So here into 15 already there. 15 into 5 divided by 18. So this is 3 5 times. This is 3 6 times. Okay, 25 divided by 6 meters per second. Right. Okay. Now, very important is what is the distance? Here, train is crossing whom? Man. Is man length considerable compared to train length? Train length will be around 600 meters, some trains 1 kilometer, 400 meters, but man length, okay, is less. Generally, man length is negligible compared to train length. So, distance will be length of the train. Why length of the train, sir? See, you are crossing the train. Train is crossing the pole or maybe man. So this is the front of the train. Okay, this should cross and this is the back of the train. Here distance is front of the train to back. This is completed. See, train is crossing a man means the train is here. It is crossing. This is what? The time taken for this only. Here what's the distance you travel? Front of the train to back of the train means nothing but length of the train. So distance is length of the train, speed you know, timing you know. Now distance is speed into time. This is a very basic formula, everyone knows that. Distance is speed into time. Speed is 25 by 6. Timing is 48, 6, 8 times. So 25 into 8, 200 meters. Okay, time taken by the train to cross a man, okay, is this. And both are traveling in same direction. Suppose man is stationary, or suppose some cases here they'll give other question like train crossing a pole. Is pole movable? If train crossing a pole, what will be the change in this maybe distance, speed and time? What will be the change? If train crossing a pole, what will be the change you will expect? Train crossing pole. Speed will be speed of the